My name is Umar Ahmed Khan, and today I am going to show you how to create Power BI dashboard in few minutes. Now I am sharing my screen, okay, through which you can easily see. This is the report view of Power BI. Here I already created one chart, but now I will show you how to create a chart in a new Power BI report view. This is the report view of Power BI. These are the options right now available in Power BI. Number one thing is get data, by which you can easily import data from different sources. These are the sources available in Power BI, which I will explain you in my further videos, like how to run the direct query, how to create a Power BI dashboard with the SQL, how to create the Power BI with the Power BI data sets. Okay. Now we have some other options are also available, in which you have a quick measures, you have a more visuals, you have a filter pan, you have a visualization pan, you have a data sets, data models, data view. Okay, this is the data model right now I already uploaded. Okay, I will also explain you in my further videos how to create a relationship between the data model. Basically, Power BI mostly automatically create the logical relationships between the data models. Now, what we will do, we will go and we will import one Excel workbook, which I already imported, but now for you guys, I am importing again. See, these are the tables available with me: order, return, and users. Okay, this order table, I will import it in my Power BI. See, this is the data sets view is already available. Now what I will do, I will load this one. As I told you, I already uploaded this one, but now once it will uploaded, here you have all the tabs available of your data sheet. Now what we will do, how we can create the or build the visuals by using this data sets. Let's suppose my boss told me to create a category wise profit. So simply I will click product category. Okay, I will also take the profit. Here in columns you have an option to take the average, sum, minimum, maximum, and the count categories. Okay, I will take the average. Here you can choose the visuals based on your requirement. Let's suppose I will use this clustered bar chart. It will transform my data into the bar chart. Now what you will do, now we can play with this visual. These are the options available in your visual by which you can make it more interactive. Let's suppose what I want to do, I want to show the border. I will on this border. Okay, I want to show the data labels. What is the size of the data labels? Okay, what are the values you want? You want in decimal, you want in auto function, you want in thousands. You can easily select here. I will select the auto one. I will increase the size of the font so it will be more visible for everyone. Now let's close this pans. See, from the technology side, we earned 157. From the furniture side, we earned 148, and office supplies 84. Now we will go into the data view. This is the data view available like Excel. Here you can edit all your data. You want to change the into the numbers. You want to convert into the decimal numbers. You want to convert into the category. You want to sort. You want to add anything. You can easily do like Excel. It's very easy. Here it shows the relationship between your models. Okay, because these are the two different sheets. That's why here the relationship is not there. But if you want to create the relationship between the model, you just drag down this one. So it will come here and create the automatic relationship. Now we will go towards the report view. So we will take another example. Product name. Okay. And the total sales. Here we can select our visuals. You have an option to do the format printer, so it will decrease your steps. I will increase the size of this one. Now there is one more option available with the name of focus mode. As you know that once you are creating a dashboard, you have to adjust all the particular visuals into a one view report. Okay, so what if you want to see the only one chart? So you will open the focus view report. Here all the product name is there, the sum of the sales. Now I want to take the average. So here I can easily take the average. Okay. Now we will go towards the back reports. I will create another pie chart. Region and the sales. Region wise sales. See, if you will select this one, you have an option that it will automatically filters related to all this query. You have a summarize option is also available. You can summarize it. See, it's automatically clearly mention the percentage, the total sum and everything according to your need. So this is the short video. Okay, in our next video, we will learn how to create Power BI dashboard with the help of APIs, with the help of ChatGPT. And secondly, I will explain you different types of tactics and tricks you can use in Power BI dashboard and make it more interactive. Thank you. Just subscribe my channel.